Kyle, you guys got a super knowledgeable crew with you today. All three of us born and raised here on the island of Kauai, grew up our entire lives pretty much on the Pali coastline. I mean,
What's another Makana? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. About 13.5 billion gallons. Could import and export a small aircraft between the sand dune and the cliff. And yeah, that's a historical fact. But also, we're still trying to keep the culture alive. We're doing a lot of volunteer work with the art dog. Back into our culture and get away from the island. Yeah, basically, it's really, really important for us, especially in the new generation. So much more opportunities for us nowadays to create stuff, great. The side of the wall where we just came from was still considered the Moku Kona, or the west side division of the island. Only now are we actually passing into the ancient Nepali division of Kauai. So it's a really amazing hike that comes down towards the right side of 300, right? But pretty cool hiking trail right there, guys, called the Amapuhi Trail. Cows here that balloons, they couldn't actually see the elevation. Over half a mile tall there, you guys.
And it's a slower cooling process. It is the strongest rock. So always hold your pictures, quickly come back and let other people go up as well as they do. But you'll see a big rock in the middle. The rock in the middle was the sea. Come out here in big winter storms. Average wave breaks 60 feet. You can nearly sit right against this calm. If you want to see a big day, I got videos I can show you. We were out there a few months ago at night. It was closing out. But that's the rock. You see, that was the sea. A few things happened here. She's in this gold secret gown, sunlight shining on her, nothing here for that video, guys. Wasn't Mary J. Blige's best song, but it was a really good video. So guys, about just keep in mind, the grill clock is also a shrine, but no shrine.
have you already taken your bath?
So they're going to come in from the heavens, hearing it to pour forth for the people, saving their beloved home. The cool part about that legend, don't drink it. It's not safe. The goats are drinking it before you, so it was originally pulled out, hitting the ocean. And if you haven't heard, there's a baby in the womb. There's the beauty because of her age, right? But if you see public talk, goes back about 70 yards. Sure, 70 yards back. It has to come out and it shoots out, guys. Taiwan over here, Taiwan comes in. Slowly away. Parents know how that goes. Island, this is where they fly into. They start descending down the waterfall. We call it mana, and we believe when you pass away that mana resides in your Tapaka. Secrecy at night, the Kauai, the servant of that king or ship, seated towering over the top of that waterfall. The sand dune is not in the video. They put like a spooky looking tree. 15,000 Hawaiians living on the Pali coast, and 5,000 Hawaiians in this valley alone. I say more space, more people can fit. But if you guys look.
The most important one, I want everybody to practice with me. Right now. So you guys are already doing pretty good. So get used to this and then. David, Jen, you guys back.
Get it?
Let's jump in and swim off. You good?
Fishy! Right there.
Yeah, oh, there.
Yeah. Because you lose a little bit of water. Yeah, and then, yeah.
They all say turquoise. What? Finish.
That is always appreciated.